Hi, my name is Johnny Timmons with MarineMax Seabrook. We're standing aboard our brand new 400 Sea Ray Sundancer. I'm going to walk you through a couple of the key features on how we ordered this beautiful yacht. You'll notice the jet black hull sides. That's a color option from Sea Ray. They've actually got 4 colors that we can choose from. Hydraulic swim platform. It's got a staircase that's going to pop out as the lift actuates down in the water before we load our tender, or if we're just going to use it as a bathing platform. The outdoor gourmet kitchen. Nice for the family. You'll notice we've got the sure shade out in the out position right now, covering us all right here. So if we were to use the grill, it'd be a great position to do so. We ordered this boat with the teak decks for the cockpit. Really turned out nice. Low maintenance. You're gonna clean it once a year, but beyond that, no oil, no nothing. Leave it natural. Just to add a little extra refrigeration to the boat, we've got a cool box back here. All your cold drinks. You can set that thermostat as low as 32 degrees. Couple of key coolers right here. You'll notice that on the 400, just like the 460, we've got a double sliding door. Really opens the entire yacht up. Kind of one of the new features for some of the new Sea Rays is we used to hide ghost panels, all of our AC and DC power. Now we've got usable space. We're just going to pop these down. Everything's up and rolling. We're ready to enjoy the yacht. Galley's pushed a little bit forward on this boat compared to the 46. Still ample storage all the way throughout for a nice weekend of boating. I'm going to hop up here on the helm. One of the unique features that this boat offers is, I'm going to step out of the way, Cummins diesel powered. However, we do run a joystick option. So you've got your bow thruster tied into your joystick. You can operate the boat just like any other joystick yacht with a straight shaft bottom hull design. Or if you want to run it regular, you've got the option to run it off the DTS controls and just use your bow thruster just like this. We added twin 12-inch Raymarine screens, radar. We can add a lot of stuff to this. We can really get technical with how much data you want to read. This is totally custom to each and every owner. Audio inside the boat, we're running a Rockford Fosgate system. You're going to have a zone in the cockpit of the boat, a zone for the salon. We did order the boat with the forward bow cushion speakers up there. That's going to be zone number 3 that you can operate up there. Everything's Bluetooth, so if you don't have a station nearby, all you got to do is pull your phone out. You can change the channel there. I'm going to hit the galley real quick. Convection oven, isotherm fridge, freezer. Got a stovetop that sits right here. Nice Corian countertops. If you'll follow me, I'm going to make my way down to the VIP stateroom. You'll notice the queen berth forward. TV to your port side there. Double locking storage. I'm going to step out of the way and let Sean take a quick peek at this right here. This is one of the unique features, and I have the door open so you can see the storage that's offered. This is a 2-stateroom, 1-head layout. There is an option to do a 2-stateroom, 2-head layout. We're going to lose about 18 inches if we do that. This makes a nice little area right here to get ready in the morning, put your clothes on, vice versa. I'm going to step out of the way and let Sean go forward into the guest stateroom. So guest stateroom, we've got twin bunks. The nice thing with this option is I can pull this spacer out right here, slide both beds together, and now we got a queen for your guests that stay aboard. Directly behind us on the starboard side of the boat, we've got great storage all the way throughout. If somebody wanted to, you could even fill this in right here and make a 3rd bunk if someone really wanted to. Again, my name's Johnny Timmons. We're aboard the brand new 400 Sea Ray Sundancer at MarineMax in Seabrook. Stop by and see us.